But let's start in the Horn of Africa, specifically Somalia. The country's hosted a major trade expo that aims at showcasing its trading potential. CGTN's Abdulaziz Bilo attended that expo and he filed this report from Mogadishu.
Faisal Hawar is among participants taking part in this year's Somali trade show. The 57-year-old Somali entrepreneur has an extensive network of businesses in Africa and the Gulf states. He has returned to the country for the first time in decades, hoping to capitalize on the increasing business opportunities in the Horn of African nation.
Basically, it is collection of all these things: business returning back, stability coming back, and the government putting up the regulations required. So 2020 is the year of blessing for Somalia to take off, especially as far as the business and aspect is concerned.
Various sectors of the economy were represented at the Trade Expo, including agriculture, fisheries, telecom, banks, as well as oil and gas companies. Organizers say the platform offers a chance for the business community to share ideas among each other.
Our target this year was 100 companies, 20 CEOs and founders of startup companies and 15 international investors. The expo has brought together various companies under one roof to exchange ideas. It took us up to 3 years to organize this event.
The Trade Expo is taking place at this popular beach in Mogadishu. Among the sectors attending the expo include fisheries, one of the least developed sectors of Somalia's economy, with the potential of becoming a major source of employment and revenue for the government. Investors have been urged to capitalize on the fishing sector. The Horn of African nation has a bountiful coastline, the longest in mainland Africa. Already, with support of local initiatives, the country has begun exporting lobsters to Gulf countries. Financial analysts say that petroleum, mining and agro-livestock industries are also key areas of investment. The country's president, Mohamed Abdullahi Farmajo, recently signed into law a petroleum bill after it received the backing of both houses of parliament.
An area that I will see a low-hanging fruit for the investor is to devise and package and sort of industrializing these areas, and the economics based in agro-livestock. So anything in that arena is good. Again, if you talk about the large mega projects, and for sure petroleum law and mining is the country is blessed with a lot of deposits of minerals, which are untapped ever, virgin, so unexploited. So that offers us a lot of opportunity for the foreign direct FDIs.
Trade fairs and expos are making a comeback in the country, with financial institutions providing loans to small business owners in a move expected to boost the Somali economy. Abdulaziz Bilo, CGTN, Mogadishu, Somalia.